Good evening, friends.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah, so now good, we have around 108 participants. So now let's start today's topic. See, now today's topic is majorly on the communication on the first level is on the birthdays and anniversaries. So then we'll get into the other options of upcoming events. So now, friends, before showing you the product live, let me ask a simple question. As a club president elect, or as a district governor elect, I'm sure you would like to be in touch with every member on their special days, that is their birthday or anniversary. I'm sure you will try to make a call to them, you will try to communicate to them on a WhatsApp, or you may try to, but there are chances you may skip that by mistake in a specific day. Imagine that you skip a very important member of your club and you forgot to wish him, he may feel bad. So now what we are trying to do is created a tool where system will take care of this communication. Of course, it will not make a call on your behalf, but system will send a communication on your behalf. Now, let me give you some more advantages of this communication. I'm sure every club president elect or a club leader here will want to do great project in a year. Why not take this also as an advantage to communicate to them on their special days and asking them to contribute for a good cause? Let's say today I am celebrating birthday. Why not instead of just a greeting coming to me? I'm just giving an example. Why not have an option where along with the greeting, a small link will come from my club saying that Narendra, happy birthday to you. Do you want to contribute to make one girl child happy by paying 2000 bucks? Today is my special day. Today is my birthday. So I'm already excited. I'm already more energetic compared to normal days. At the same time, that communication coming from you has a small link to even make me do a payment which can be going to the club or trust account of the club, and using that the club can also use it for a project of it. So that means, let's assume that you have 100 members in your club, you have 200 special days on an average, that is birthdays and anniversaries. That means literally every alternate day there can be a fund coming in for the project. At the same time, you're also helping them communicate. So now let me show you the tool first, then let's get into the question answer session on how this can be done. So let me just go into one of the clubs. I'll just go to, now in the club module in the dashboard, there is an option called as communication. So in this, currently I'm going to talk about the greetings part, then we'll get into the upcoming event announcement later. But when I click on the greetings part, can you see this? There is an option for you to send a text on a communication, as well as for the birthday, as well as for the anniversary. Now I can have any content in the text. Now I can also send a email. When I click on the email, it can write as what? Let's say who's sending it. I'm writing the name of my president. Subject is, now I can also write a content, link, creative in this email. Same thing I can do it for happy anniversary. Just see live how simple the process is. Now I write the content, write anything, and save it. Same way, I can also send it through WhatsApp. So there's a very small cost for sending in a WhatsApp and an email. You can just click on the marketplace to see that. So, but in case you do not want this, You want to just send only a notification, you can send it by notification. You want to send by WhatsApp, the same content can go by WhatsApp. You want to send by email, click on the email, enable the birthday mail, enable anniversary mail, and the content can go by email to members. So the concept is very, very simple. On my special day, my club president can send an automated greeting to me. So, Pune Jain, the simple question is answered very clearly. It can be, let's say, it cannot write the different greeting design, but when it goes to me, it goes by my name. It goes as Dear Rotarian Narendra Rao, then the rest of the content will come. Dear Rotarian Puneet Jain, the rest of the content will come. Absolutely. But the rest of the story will not be changed. But the personalized name will come in the beginning. So same thing can be in a WhatsApp also. So, and in the notification, it pops up a notification on the screen, even if you do not, if you're not subscribed to WhatsApp or an email part. So the concept is simple. On my birthday, on my anniversary, my president is remembering me, or it can be board president and board of directors can remember me to do that. Again, there's a question. For a notification to come, as Anshumanji also said, you need to have the app downloaded. That is for the notification to come as a free notification. But imagine you not downloaded the app, but if the club president wants to send an email to you, you don't need the app to be downloaded. Or he wants to send a WhatsApp to you, the app need not be downloaded. So finally, president can connect to you, or the club leaders can connect to you from a in-app notification is which is completely free. Plus, it can also be by WhatsApp and by email. Now, these are the three things which can help you connect. Now, I was talking about that small link part. Friends, the link can be a link to a foundation link, does not matter. Examples, you want to put a link to the foundation saying that, okay, please contribute at least $10 on your birthday, and the link can be on your the link can be added to the email. So people need not log in, search, AO. So just click on the link. Link will take you to rotary.org to the foundation account. Or let's say your club has a trust and you would like to collect the money in your own club and do a project. Then the link is for a payment gateway, which we already discussed earlier, to your own club. Or link can be with, or it can be just a content of the bank details about your club. Does not matter how do you want to do it. But what I'm trying to say is, on my special day, I'm already like high of energy, high of uh, you know to do positive things. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of such days. Imagine today's Surjit Singh ji's birthday, and the club calls you up. Let me ask example. Let me just pick up someone. I can see Puneet Jain on the first name. Puneet ji, on your special day, I'm trying to unmute you. On your special day, would you like to contribute? Example, say to make one girl child happy in your club. Yes or
Yes,
no? And
yes,
the
yes,
amount may be small. I'm not saying okay, how much you want to contribute. There may be a
yes,
drop down. That may be a drop down of select here one for making one child happy, 2,500 bucks. Example, to make it 5,000 bucks. Now that money either goes to your own club account or the trust account or to the foundation. Does not matter what you want to do. But use this tool to trigger a philanthropy in a specific member on a special day, and I'm sure your club will actually get some funds for that particular thing. Now
yes.
I'm happy to see SP Bagaria ji, who's the DGE for 3250. So Bagaria ji, this tool.
Naren,
Ah,
just a minute. Our zonal chair of Zone 6, IPDG, Prabir Chatterjee, has also joined.
oh, lovely.
Uh,
And I can see
welcome,
DG.
welcome, Prabir. Please be with us. We will catch you after this presentation.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you.
And I can see DG SP Bagaria also, just I could see him joined
Yes,
here.
yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Bagareji, the what we are trying to say is not
Yeah.
just for club. I just want to add to the district team. Even district governor can send a greeting to every member of the district
Yeah.
and ensure that that particular communication is going to get converted either to your foundation or to a specific club. I have a different thought process. Imagine 3250 में there are 25 clubs who have got trusts. आप वो 25 क्लब का एक लिस्ट बना दीजिए. Each club may be doing a specific work. Example, one club may be giving a bicycle, one club may be giving a bench, one club may be giving a, school bag, or one club may be doing a support for handicapped children by giving a wheelchair, or one club may be doing a byjuice. Does not matter what they do. You can have a list of all those things sent to the member on their special days. So look at the advantage. I am sure when the list comes to me on my special day, depending on my capability and my love, I'll select how much I need to pay to the foundation or to a good cause.
Okay.
Bagareji, end of the year, I want you to tell me how much money that is been gone into your foundation or the club using this tool.
Yeah.
Not any commission out of that, but I want to get a satisfaction out of that. So
Yeah.
this is the money which is gone into the system because of this tool. So friends, Bagareji is the governor
Elect.
for 3250. Is the governor for 2324, 3250, which covers part of Bihar and Jharkhand.
Yeah.
Very active Rotarian. सब just Bagareji, would you like to use this so that आपका जो 3,500 Rotarians है, so you know, so they can get a communication on their special days. One
Yes,
is,
we will use this, and
yeah,
I will contact you later on. But
yeah.
we will use this.
Most important part is, sir, not
And
just a birthday giving.
few members are already from our district. 3250 is here also.
Oh, lovely.
From Thakur, Shyam Jha, and Sangeeta Sharma. Few members are also here. They are
Welcome, welcome.
from
Yeah.
our district.
Yeah. So now, simple process है sir. इसमें खाली greeting करने से अच्छा, my suggestion is use your club's trust accounts or your foundation account and take advantage of this communication for some additional fund which can go into your club or into your own the foundation. So this is one part. So same way, there is an option for sending a communication, which is an in-app communication, is completely free for every upcoming event of your club. So I'm showing you that now. Can I have any specific club name? So I'll go to that club and show you that. So anybody can write the club name in the chat box. Let me go to that particular club. Mumbai West Coast. Yeah, Nagaraj Shetty. I'll go to Mumbai West Coast. Now see this, there's an option for you to send a communication. In that, I'm using a button called as upcoming event or announcement. Just see this fun. So let's use the upcoming event first. In upcoming event, let's assume that next week there is a speaker meeting. And in that speaker meeting, we have a speaker meeting next week, or we have examples say XYZ will be the speaker next week. He will speak upon how to discard plastic waste effectively and save environment. Okay, now then you say regards President XYZ. 1 second, let me just Nagraj ji, who's the president of your club? Can someone unmute Nagraj Shetty? I'm trying to unmute you, Nagraj. Nagaraj, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, so what is the name of your president?
Sangeeta Chavan.
Sangeeta
Chavan.
Chavan.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm just giving a simple example. You see the whole process now. Let's
Yes,
say
yes.
instead of your next week's meeting, let us say we'll take it as June 6th, example. So June 5th, so next week is the next Wednesday. Now you want to publish this notification today evening at 8 o'clock, and you want to expire this notification on
Naren, the screen is not visible.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to. Yeah, can you see this now?
Yes, yes.
I wrote the dear Rotarians, we have XYZ will speaker next week. He will speak on how to discard plastic waste effectively and save environment. Regards, President Sangeeta Chavan. And the event date is 5th of thing at example say 7 o'clock. And you want to publish it today at 8 o'clock in the evening, and you want to expire this on 5th evening at 23:40. And after that, you don't need this message in the screen. And you are meeting on Sai Palace Hotel, Malad West. Am I right? So in case of a change, you can also change the venue. In case this particular event needs a registration link or say anything, you can also add that URL here. Now, do you want this notification to be repeated? So today is what, 31st? Event is happening on 5th. Please just listen to me. Today is 31st, event is happening on 5th. That means we have a 7 days more from today. I want to select the option of repeat notification. In the repeat notification, I am putting tomorrow's day. Example is tomorrow is 31st. So tomorrow is 31st. So I'll put 1st of June's day examples in the afternoon at 2:40. I want a repeat notification. Then I want one more repeat on June 3rd in the morning at 10:25. I want one more notification on June 5th morning, so that I will have more participation in the meeting. Now, I can also add a photograph of the environment. Imagine I have a photograph of environment. I can also add a photograph of the environment here. I don't have the photograph right away. One second, let me see.
Even photograph of the speaker can be added.
The photograph of the speaker can be added. Perfect. So now, so you know who's coming. I'm just, because the topic is on environment, I'm just randomly picking up now. Example, I just picked up this photograph and save this. So tomorrow at 8 o'clock, this gets published, that means notified. And after that, on 1st, on 3rd, on 5th, I just put only 3. You can have any number of notifications. It automatically pops up again on every member's phone, as long as they have downloaded Rotary India app, which is most important. Now, in case you feel that I want this also to go by WhatsApp to members, I can enable the option of send through WhatsApp, provided you have WhatsApp credit in your club. So now it shows 0 here. In case you have credit of WhatsApp in the club, it can also be sent. The entire content will also go by WhatsApp to every Rotarian of your club. You can also enable RSVP. That means it will also ask you, are you attending this function? So once you say yes, it gets counted in the system. How many said yes, I'm coming? So why am I saying this, Nagaraj? Imagine you have 100 members. You may want to organize something there. You may want to know how many are actually attending this event. So you can actually enable the RSVP so that you know the list of people who are coming. list of people who said yes, list of people who said no, list of people who are not responded to it. Plus, when a notification comes on your phone, because unfortunately I can't show the notification because it's going to be postponed. I mean, it will be done tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening, and that too on your club. So when it comes on your phone, there is an option to even add this event into your calendar. That means whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone does not matter. It gets added to your calendar. That means when you're sending an upcoming event, the one you have multiple notifications. Second, you're also adding into your calendar. That means even if you do not see WhatsApp, even if you do not see the Rotary India app, it will still pop up about the notification about the event on the day of the event, maybe half an hour before the event. Plus, RSVP will help you, as I told you. You can also download a list of all those who said yes and who said no. In case you send a link, imagine that in this particular notification, you have sent a link. Example, say now you want a registration of that, or you want to pay for it. Imagine that particular event costs 100 rupees for every member. So you can also put a registration link of those 100 people, 100 rupees. They can click and pay 100 rupees also from the same notification. Now, one more thing. When the notification comes on the notification, when you open it, there's an option for you to share the event. When you click on the share button, which I can't show you because I don't have an event on my phone, when you share that, it actually creates a creative design of your club name on the top. Example, it shows Rotary Club of Bombay West Coast, photograph of the speaker, the content, and generated by Rotary India. It creates a PDF file. You can also share that PDF file to your members. There is no cost to it. So you can also share in a WhatsApp by making it creative without even going to Canva or anywhere else. The system will generate that. I'm repeating this. A notification has come on your phone. You saw that. You may want to send it to your friends who are not a Rotarian, or maybe want to send it to the group of your own club. Instead of asking someone to make it creative, just click on the share button. It will make it creative with the banner of your club name on the top, with the name, photograph of the speaker or the content that you added, and it shows a complete whole thing and gets converted to a PDF file. And this file you can share it on your WhatsApp group or an email or anything to your friends. So that means one entry of notification, the benefit is one, it is automated. So it will remind members to come for the event. Advantage, I'm sure this will ensure more members come for the event. Second, you can also do an automated creative from here, and that creative can be shared to members and non-members who wants to come for that particular event. Now, similar tool is available even for announcements. Now, this is I'm not saving this Nagaraj because it's not right data. Now, can you see a button called as announcement?
Yes.
In the announcement also you have a similar structure. Now I'll click on the announcement, title, description, publish date, expiry date, registration link. What am I trying to say in this? Imagine you have got a communication from your district saying that there is a district Shukriya happening on 30th of June. Now you want to push this notification to your members. You can add those content here with the registration link. Imagine there's a registration to be done for. You can do that and send it to all your members. Or you want to promote something in your club using this announcement tool. You can do that. Or you may want to just say that the TRF, the dollar price for TRF is increased from 82 to 83 in the month of June. You can do the announcement there, and a link to click here to make your TRF payments. So we can go to every member of your club. Again, no cost to you. It's a in-app notification. But in case you want to send it through WhatsApp, you need to buy the WhatsApp credits, or buy. There is no option for sending an email currently. We'll enable the email soon. But currently, you can send by notification or by WhatsApp. So, friends, do you feel that this particular system will help you, one, improve your communication with the members because you are communicating to them on their birthdays and anniversaries, improve your communication to members and having more members coming in because You are going to talk to, send a communication for your upcoming events. So, requesting all of you use this tool. I'll tell you one more thing. When you add this upcoming event, the information also goes into your calendar of your club. That means in case you have a club website, it also goes into your club website as an upcoming event. It also goes into the district website in the district calendar. So the reason I'm saying this is that means imagine I'm opening your district website. I can know what's happening in your club just because I opened the district website. Or any other member who's not part of your club, but he has opened your district module of the app, and district calendar में भी ये चीज दिखेगा. That means, let's say I'm just giving example. Let's say because we have the governor SP Bagaria ji wants to know what is happening in Jamshedpur on 1st of June. He need not call Jamshedpur. He just have to select 1st of June. 1st of June में जो क्लब का मीटिंग हो रहा है वो क्लब में क्या इवेंट हो रहा है, it can be seen. That means free may, without you sending any communication to the governor can see, or I'm just giving examples of the governor. Any member of 3250 can see what's happening in 3250. Any member of 3141 can see what's happening in 3141. So the district calendar gets updated. That means when you're announcing about your upcoming event, you are actually announcing not just for your members, you are announcing into the entire district. You are also posting it in the district website, you're posting it in the club website, plus you are also option of sending this creative by WhatsApp to all your non-Rotarian members too.
Naren,
Yeah.
many of the attendees are asking about the cost of the WhatsApp message. Please.
Yeah. So
tell
WhatsApp,
them.
WhatsApp credit is cost you 1 rupee per message. So that means imagine you want to send by WhatsApp to members. If you have 50 members, it will cost you 50 rupees per message. But my suggestion is don't buy WhatsApp message. Use in-app, which is completely free. Ensure that every member downloads the Rotary India app. We do not want to promote WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an alternate solution where we are using a third-party tool to do it. Unfortunately, we need to pay them for doing it. So the system is sending the system through the WhatsApp business tool, which charges us that particular amount doing that. But in-app is completely free. There is not even a single penny cost in you sending a communication to your members as long as members have downloaded the mobile application. Again, there is no cost for a member to download the mobile application. So any doubt on this part, we can get into the question and session on this topic or any other point.
Naren,
Yeah.
I request the Rotary India team to please give the downloading link of Rotary India app in the chat box.
Perfect. So Usha,
both for Android and for iOS.
There's a single link. Yeah.
Okay.
With the single link will take care of that. So we'll do that.
So my request is to everybody who is present there, please copy this link and send it to all your club members. Now almost every club has their own WhatsApp group. So please send this to all your club members, request them to download this app. Every Rotarian can use this app. Even the family members of the Rotarians, they can also use this app free of cost. Yes, Nan.
Yeah. So any questions on this, friends? Anybody has any doubts or any clarity required? Yeah, Chandrasekhar ji. I'm trying to unmute. Yeah. Can you have your camera also on so we can see you?
Oh, I'm in US and it's dark here, but anyway.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. What I wanted to tell you, what is being added from my side is, when you select the calendar for the month, there is a dot under the date, and if you click that, you will come straight away to the particular date where an event is posted by some.
I'm actually stopping your video because there's a network issue. I'm not able to hear you well. Can you close your video and talk to me so that there may be some noise? Yeah, go ahead.
Narendra, what I said is, adding to whatever you said, when you open the calendar month-wise, there is a dot under particular dates, and that indicates that there is an event or announcement by some club. So that prompts the people to know it.
Yeah, it's already there. Yeah. So when you
It's already there.
So when you click on the club calendar, in the club module, when you click on the calendar, you can see the month view. There's a button called a month view. When you click on the month view, you'll see all the dates of your month. Examples, if you click on June, you'll see from 30th 1 to 30th. On each day, in case it's blank, that means there is no activity there. That means there is no birthday or anniversary. And if there is a dot, that shows there is a birthday, anniversary, or a event in your club on that particular day. Thank you, Nalaji, for just telling me reminder. Yeah. So anybody else have any questions? Yeah, Mayur, we have a common link for downloading the app. We'll send it to you right away. One second, I'll just send that link to you right away. We'll also send that in the minutes of the meeting that you send. In that also we'll send it to you. Don't worry.
Those who are joining first time today, uh, immediately after conclusion of today's master class, those who have attended today's master class from Rotary India, we will send you an email where the minutes of today's master class along with the link of the recording will also be there. And as Naren said, today we will also add the link for downloading the mobile application Rotary India app in that minute also.
Yeah, there's a question from Vijay DC. So Vijay, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, hi, sir. Like I have a question regarding the membership. Like we have different membership charges for women, single woman, or for couples. So how can you do the customize on it?
Yeah, good point. So I have some more questions and answers for the membership due module. So now, in case anybody has no other questions on the part, I'll just get into this action. So now, friends, as all of you know, there is a module called as membership due collection. In the membership due collection, we have received a lot of queries in the thing. So I'll just answer this. One of the point which Vijay is asking also is very valid. Now, let me just open that. Yeah. So first question actually been asked by a lot of people is, can we have variable pricing for different members? So, but before that, let me just give a brief about the membership due module. See, today you may have 50, 100, 75, 25, 30, 200 members in your club. Now, the biggest problem is, how do I collect the membership due on time? So to ensure that you get payment on time, that is, you get a cash flow of your club members on time, we have enabled a module called as membership due collection. You can go to marketplace.rotaryindia.org and you can get more information. I'll just show you for a second, then afterwards I'll get into the how it functions. Give me 1 second. So there is something called as marketplace.rotaryindia.org. Here there's a button called as membership due collection. Most of the questions are already been answered in this. Now, the real problem which every club faces is, you need to make endless phone calls to members. You need to send people to collect checks and they don't give the checks on time. And biggest problem is, you are a club president or a club secretary, a club treasurer. You are not a glorified collection agent of your club. And as a principle, every member should be paying it on time without your phone call, without your effort. But unfortunately, that's not happening. So this tool has an automated option of triggering a reminder to members on their dues. Example, say my club has got a dues of 20,000 rupees. I'll get an annual due reminder for 20,000, or semi-annual one as 10,000, semi-annual two as 10,000. So I have option to make either 20,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, or as a semi-annual one. Now, in case I make a payment of 20,000, I won't get a reminder after that. Plus, system will also send a receipt to me. Now, the doubts of people are, in my club, we have variable pricing. Example say, when a member is single in the club, they may charge say 20,000 bucks. But when a member is a couple membership, they may be charging only 30,000 bucks because they may charge only 10,000 bucks for the spouse of your club. Or to promote a lady members in the club, you may say instead of 20,000 bucks, we're going to charge 15,000. It's all up to a club to decide. But the membership tool, we have already designed this part and is under testing, and we'll be enabling that by hopefully next week soon, where you will be able to have this variable pricing. That means Narendra Rao 20,000 bucks, Anshuman Bandopadhyay is a couple membership 30,000 bucks, SP Bagaria or so and so is a lady member in the club 8,000 bucks. You can actually decide and do that. The reason is so that you don't need to struggle in terms of sending a reminder, Narendra, आपका 8,000 बाकी है, आपका 20,000 बाकी है, आपका 10,000 बाकी है. System will send exact amount of reminders to them. You don't need to do the compiling of that. Second, in case I have paid 50% now, it will ask me for the balance 50% only. It won't ask the entire amount from me. Third is, another question which is asked by someone is there any charges for the credit card, debit card? Yes. In case the member is paying from their credit card or debit card, there is a charge levied by the credit card or debit card. That is an online payment. But the system has an option to collect even the money offline. That means if someone wants to pay cash, someone wants to pay check, someone wants to pay directly NEFT, they can still do it. All you require is, as a club treasurer or a club admin, just go to this module, select. Example, say Arun Kumar has paid today 20,000 bucks by NEFT and he's just sent a screenshot to you. Go to the system, select Arun Kumar and say paid by NEFT, whatever the number, and you can also add the screenshot of the payment that is made by him, save it. Next time, Arun Kumar ji will not get a reminder from the system. Okay, now one more question I got it is, my club does not want to send reminders to VVIP members. That means, imagine I'm sending a trigger. I have 50 members in the club, 25 have made the payment, so balance 25 will get a reminder. Now, we also enable that option. Imagine that in my club there are some VVIPs who may be doing a great work or great philanthropy, and I do not want them to get a reminder. You can go and select and send it to only those whom you want to send the reminders to. So, बाकी लोग को reminders नहीं जाएगा. Another question is, can I avoid collections for honorary member? Yes. Moment you select honorary member in the system, the system will not have any figure on against them. There is no reminder goes to the honorary member. Why? Because normally honorary member are not paid members of the club. So honorary member को कोई communication नहीं जाएगा. How do I know who has paid and not paid? Friends, this tool has a report. I'll just show you one of the reports which is generated from this tool, and I'll show you how easy it is to filter who has paid and who has not paid. Give me 1 second, I'm just opening that file. Now see this list, I'm just hiding the telephone numbers. Now, these are the members of the club who has paid and who has not paid. Now, this is a list which is get generated. It automatically says who has paid and who is not paid. What is not applicable? Not applicable is when someone has already paid the full amount, then he won't be reminded about the semi-annual 1 and 2. But if someone has made semi-annual 1 payment, then the annual payment is not applicable and he has the option to pay 1 and 2. Now, I want to know who's not paid in my club. I just click on the filter, enable the filter, remove all those who are paid. Now, go here, enable the filter who's paid. Can you see this? Now it shows me the list of members of my club who's not paid either annual amount or semi-annual 1 and 2 for the current year. So imagine I want to share this in my club uh, WhatsApp or whatever. I can just select this and directly share it from here. That means in a second from the report, I can filter who's paid and who's not paid. So anybody has any doubt on this part, please let me know. And anybody who wants to opt for this tool, there's a link given. You can click on that, you can register for this and you can opt for this tool. Now, let me ask a question from Samir K. Mittal. Samir ji.
Dr. Samir, you
I
can
unmute you.
yeah.
Yeah, anybody has any other doubts, any other clarity required? You can just raise your hand. Yeah, I can see Funny Malini. Yeah,
Hi,
go ahead. Yeah, hi.
sir. If we these unpaid members, how can we publicly, if we have to send
I'm not
any?
expecting you to publicly do it, but at least you know the list that you have. Now you can
Okay.
communicate to them. Instead of you checking the entire list, you can just know who's not paid. Imagine that you want to send it to your club president, or you want to send it to your specific director of the club who is actually following it up with those only those members. Currently, I'm just giving a very practical picture in every club. You call the club president and ask, आपका क्लब में कौन कौन पेमेंट बाकी है, कौन किसके पेमेंट बाकी है, आपके पास रिकॉर्ड नहीं है. Why? Because it is not organized well. Here, this will help you get that report. It is like, imagine you had debtors in your own business. I'm sure your tally will give you that report. ये payments आपको बाकी है, so you can communicate to them. Similarly, in your club, this report will help you to communicate to only those who have not made the payment.
Okay. If we have to send separately.
As I told you, if you want to send it separately, in the module, there is an option for you. Imagine that those 9 people should get a reminder. You can select those 9 or click all. It will go to only those people who have not made the payment. They will get the reminders. You don't need to worry about it. System will not send a reminder in case you have added it. Let's assume that under Narendra Rao, you already selected as paid. I won't get a reminder. But under your name, imagine you're not paid semi-annual dues 2 example, you will get a reminder to pay that particular amount which is pending from you.
Okay,
Clear
sir.
on this?
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Dr. Gracelet, can I see you?
Sir, actually, I can understand everything very well. It's very, very, very useful for us. In the meantime, we have been attending these classes for the past 2 months now. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
For the 2 months, also 1 month more. Actually, will you be able to receive any certificates for this?
Very
For
good.
attending master classes.
Yes, yes. I think we'll work on that. There's a smart option. We'll ask our website chairman to decide on that. Anshumanji, there's a good point here.
Oh, because it will be worthy enough, no.
Yeah, yeah.
Because whatever we do, we receive. Yeah, because I attended RLA courses and graduate courses,
Good point.
everything,
We will
and
work
I'm
on it.
receiving
Very nice
certificates.
suggestion.
This is very good suggestion, Naren. We
Yeah.
have even not thought about it,
Yeah.
but yes, those who are extremely regular to this master class,
Yeah.
we must acknowledge their presence and their participation.
Very nice.
Yes,
Very
sir.
nice.
Yes,
We will
sir.
do that.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll
Thank
do
you.
something about it. Thank you very much for
Thank
the
you, sir.
suggestion.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I have Dr. Rashmi Takral? Hello. Yeah, Rashmi ji.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Can we see you? Yeah.
Yes, you can see me.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, just now you told about the link and
Yeah.
I clicked on one link what you have given But it says you have to register yourself first. Is it?
Yeah,
We
I'll
have
explain. Are you talking about the membership due?
No. Just now you said now you click on the
Okay,
link
so
which
in
you
case
have
if
sent
your
on the
that
WhatsApp.
means your
One
mobile
link.
number, see what happens is, in case your mobile number is not properly updated in Rotary India, it will ask you, are you a Rotarian? Do you want to register? Okay, don't bother. Just send an email to support@rate of rotaryindia.org with your club details, and we will check that and we'll rectify your mobile number in the system. There are chances your mobile number may be a landline number. Then when you punch in your
No,
mobile number,
it is a mobile number,
no.
not a landline number.
What I'm trying to say is in the rotary.org, in the database, your mobile number may be either misspelled or it may be a wrong number. So because of that, you will see the Rotary India app is only for Rotarians, and I'm sure you are a Rotarian, and but your mobile number may be misspelled in the system, or you may have a new number. So
No, both things are not there. That's why I was just trying to
Rashmi ji,
click
you
on
need
the
to
link.
send an email to support@rotary.org, and
Support
when you
India.
I,
Support India.
yeah, we'll send a message in the group chat
Okay.
box.
Okay.
Send a
Thank
mail
you.
to support. So we'll check it where the fault is, because it will not allow you to use the Rotary India app unless the number matches. So if there is not match, we'll rectify it for you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, Dr. Samir.
Yeah, hi sir. Good
Yeah,
evening. Ji.
good evening.
Sir, actually, my question is simple. Abhi, I just I tried twice in logging in Rotary India app, but it is showing error. So I even made a mail to support@rotaryindia.com for adding my
.org, yeah.
credentials and yeah.
Now you need to send a support@the rate of rotaryindia.org, not com.
Yeah. So sorry. I'll
Yeah,
do it
support at
again
the
then.
rate of rotaryindia.org. Send a mail
Support. It's
with your
support
club
at the
name.
rate
We will
Rotary.
check that and we'll rectify that. Don't worry.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah.
Right. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. So anybody else has any questions? Or any suggestions? We can take it today.
Also, we are having in Rotary India 2 helpline numbers. We have just now indicated those helpline numbers in the chat box. When you will open the RotaryIndia.org website, at the top of the homepage, you will get these 2 helpline numbers. Both are mobile numbers. On any working day between 10 to 6, you can call our helpline numbers, and our support system will be live there. Our executives will attend your call and will try to give you solution instant, even on phone. And unless it can be solved immediately on phone, as Naren said, we have a dedicated email ID, that is support@rotaryindia.org. That has also been shared in the chat box. So you just send an email highlighting your problem, and in 90% cases, we solve those problems within 24 hours and send you an reply email that it has been solved.
Yeah. Just to add it to that, when you send an email to support@the rate of rotaryindia.org, we generate a ticket. So that means your every communication which has come to the email will be tracked by us, and will ensure that we close the ticket as soon as possible. So instead of a phone call, I request you send an email. That is when I promote email more, because you can send email even beyond your office hours anytime you want to do it, and my team will ensure that we check that mail on the next working day, and more 99% times we rectify the issues then and there and reply to you from there. Yeah, Vijay, Vada,
Hello.
yeah, hi Vijay ji.
Hi. Uh,
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
yeah, I just wanted to understand, is there a cost to this which club has to bear?
For
This,
which one?
this membership dues.
The membership due collection module is a cost because there's an additional tool that we give it. In that we inbuild your WhatsApp and email services also, so that in the reminders and everything, you don't need to pay separately for WhatsApp or email. There's a cost of 5,999 rupees plus GST for this tool for year.
For a year, for an entire year, for irrespective of the size of the number of members of the club.
Does not matter what the size of the members are.
Oh, very good tool.
Yeah.
I appreciate.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank you so much.
practically for paying 6,000 bucks, we will remove your tag called as glorified collection agent, and we will ensure that your payment in the club comes on time easily. So, or else what happens is the time that you spend in terms of
I know.
calling up is horrible and phenomenal. And unfortunately, you're not collecting money for your personal use. You're collecting money for your club, and you will make more enemies by calling up and saying, "Boss, why are you not making the payment of the club?" So here, system will take care of it. So the headache of you calling, you making more enemies will be reduced, and system will take care of the rest.
Yeah, system will work, and relationships also will be kept in.
Absolutely. You may have past president who may be very big donors for foundation, but they have forgotten to make a payment.
I have seen in the club the problem of president and the secretary and treasurer, how delicate it is. Neither they can say the names of the people, nor can they say that no, the dues are going to come. They will come in the last month of the year, but they will come, like that. Secondly, I wanted to know, for some reasons I joined late. Is there a recording available of this meeting?
Yes, we will send you a link of this recording also after the master class. We have a habit that in next 1 hour after the class is over, we will send a minutes of this meeting. And in the meeting, all the content that is covered today, including the link to the recording, will also be sent. And
very
anyway,
nice.
it's a very easy thing. Go to Rotary India YouTube. You'll be able to see all the masterclass content, sir.
Oh, lovely. Thank you, Narendra ji. Thank you so much.
Vijay, you're from which club?
I'm from Rotary Club of Mulundi's.
Mulundi's, you are very near to me. Yeah.
Thank you, Narendra ji. Thank you.
Yeah, Ashok Devre.
Good evening.
Yes, Ashok.
I am from Rotary Club Elite, Aurangabad Elite.
I can't hear you. You're from which club?
Rotary Club Elite, Aurangabad Elite.
Aurangabad Elite. Okay, 3132.
Yeah, 3132. I am having Rotary India app on my mobile.
Yeah.
But it is not updated for my club. Many members' date of birth and addresses are not updated.
I'll answer this. Very good question. Vijay ji can mute currently. See, I forgot to mention that in the beginning. Birthday anniversary I can talk about, but in case मेरा birthday का date ही नहीं डाला है, how do I do it? So you need to communicate to your club members and ask them to add those birthdays and anniversaries. अशोक डेवरे का आज बर्थडे है, बट आपने ऐड ही नहीं किया है, आपका क्लब ने ऐड नहीं किया है, सो किसको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा आज आपका बर्थडे है. So this is a task which every club president has to do it right now. Ensure that every member's birthday or anniversary is added. ये बहुत benefit है, सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं है, या आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए benefit है. Imagine आपका क्लब में एक पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट है, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर है, एंड आपने उसका बर्थडे मिस किया, और एल्स यू हैव अ मेजर डोनर इन अ क्लब, आपने उसका बर्थडे मिस किया, ही विल फील बैड. बट आपका रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, either see now every member also can go and update it, but unfortunately members do not do it. But you are more charged up in a club as a club president elect or a club leader, so you should take that effort of that. To what you can do, go to Rotary India app, desktop, go to reports, you can download the report of a members. आपको मालूम पड़ेगा किसके किसके बर्थडे मिसिंग है, किसका एनिवर्सरी मिसिंग है. You can easily find out that, call them, fill that, and enter it in the Rotary India. So then Rotary India will do the job of reminding it. Clear? Yeah, Jayesh Giandani.
Hello,
Jayesh,
sir.
yeah, can we see?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Sir, I just wanted to ask you one thing. I'm a incoming president for Rotary Club of Baroda Metro,
Yeah.
and we already have the website, right?
Yes.
And this
You are from Pinky Patel's club.
correct.
And
So
Manoj Desai, PRID Manoj Desai's club.
yes,
Yeah,
sir, yes,
go
sir.
ahead. Yeah.
I needed to understand the renewal of this thing. The existing website will
Yeah, so
come.
you just have to go to the same button when
Hmm.
you log in. On the top right, there's a button for you to click on the renewal. You can click on the renewal, it will do the entire process for you. It will cost you 10,999 plus GST.
That's what I found on the existing marketplace as well.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I can opt for anything. I can
Yeah.
either way I
From
can do
here
it,
or
right?
there, the same. आपका website also, you can go and click on it and click on the renewal and you can do that, sir.
So that is the annual cycle for the renewal of the website is from July to June or probably from the
From July to
pro.
June. July to June is a thing, but it is actually, let's see if a club has opted for it in the middle of the year, from that date till the next day, next year, that 365 days it picks up.
Okay, so I can find out easily the date of expiry,
Yeah,
right?
you can see it on the dashboard itself, your expiry date, and you can do that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Vijay, you had another question? I saw you
No,
raise
no,
your hand.
no question, no question. Thank
Oh,
you.
fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are on time at 5:30. We are closing the meeting today. And actually, there are too many queries on the membership due. So we thought next week also we'll talk about on the same topic of membership due and we'll show you the whole process also if possible. So next week's class, Anshumanji, shall we talk about the membership due or we are talking about the past presidents and BOD? So one of that we'll need to cover it.
Okay, membership due we can do next week because we did it last week.
Yeah.
So next week, let us complete the past presidents and BOD, other uploading formalities.
No problem.
Past
So we'll
president,
cover
BOD,
yeah.
maybe the minutes and other committees also, if time permits.
Perfect.
And next week also, you announce that in the second week of June, we'll discuss once again on membership.
No problem.
So today also, let us announce it formally that
Yeah.
next week it will be some other issues we will take. But next week, that means on 14th of June, we'll discuss against on this membership dues portal and the link also.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
Well,
right.
let me just. I have the creative made already. I'm just sharing that.
Okay.
This is the topic for next week. That is how to upload past presidents and board of directors details in the Rotary India app so that you can respect your past presidents and of course the entire committee of yours who's going to be with you for the entire year. So this is the topic for next week, friends.
No, but Naren, if time permits, we can also discuss how to upload the minutes and others also. It will take, it is the same process, only we will have to show them the link, nothing more.
Great, we can do that.
Please.
So let us take advantage of the time now here. So friends, now when we talk about the club meetings, so when we have a club meeting, I showed you the concept currently, how to invite people for the club meeting. That is upcoming events. Now, once we have added them, my meeting is over on the next week. Example, say I showed you the content that 5th of June was a meeting. So 5th of June evening, what is my responsibility in the Rotary India? I need to go there and fill those information. That is what has happened in today's meeting. So I'll show you that module right away.
Not only the minutes, also the attendance, we can put it online also now from the system. Now we don't need to keep the attendance record or attendance book. Those can also be done online.
Yeah. So now I'll show the concept of both. One, there is an option called as attendance. Now let's say we had a meeting and in that meeting I want to add the attendance. I just write the meeting date. Example, say today is the meeting day, 30th of May. Speaker meeting on Okay, now description is we had XYZ as a speaker. You don't need to write the entire story here in the attendance part, and write today's day. Example say 31st evening at. In this, I can go and select the member's name. Can you see the pop-up on the screen? Anshumanji, can you see the pop-up of
Yes, yes. All the members'
Yeah, so now
details are there.
example say in this meeting, I can check all and I can disable who's not come. I'm in the Mumbai West Coast, I can select who's not come for the meeting, or I'll disable all the check all and I write, okay, Jennifer is come, Jayant is come, Rajan is come, Rita has come, whatever. You can just tick mark all those people who have come and click on done. It shows 4 members are collected, added. Now I can also go and add the ands. Imagine in this meeting, I had 5 ands who have come. I can write the names. If I do not have the names, I can just click on done. That means 5 ands have come. I can add annex, visitors, Rotarians of other club, and the district delegates and save it. So my attendance report, a digital attendance report is ready here. I don't need to do those printed thing like how we had in the school days. Let us change ourselves, go into this module and do it. And that too, this can be done only by the admins of the club. They can do it from the mobile or they can do it from the desktop. Now, sorry, let me show you one more module. Now I have added the attendance. My meeting is over. Now let me explain you how to do the reporting of this meeting. Go into club service. When I click on the club service, I have option of adding the add meeting. In this, I can go and write the title, speaker meeting. We had a great speaker meeting. We had a great speaker XYZ who spoke about whatever supporting environment and whatever plastic bottle crushing machine you write the story. Now attendance, you can just manually write attendance. Let's say now 45 people. Can you see this? It automatically shows 45 people means 62% of your club members. Automatically it shows 62.5%. Now, is it a regular meeting or a fellowship meeting? It's a regular meeting, so I don't have to change it here. When was the meeting? It was on 31st. I can also add up to 5 photographs of the meeting. I'm just randomly picking up photograph. I'm not going to save this. So look at the speed of it. I just have to click, and I can also write description to this. Now, can you see this agenda and minutes? In case you have the system of adding agenda and minutes of this meeting, even that can be added. Click on the agenda, pick up a file and add that. Click on the minutes, pick up the file and add that, and click on save. Friends, so once you do this, end of the month when you want to do the club monthly report, you don't need to rewrite it. So today you have done your meeting. Today itself you finished up the whole process of entering it. That is, I've added the attendance in the digital attendance folder. I went into my meeting folder and I filled all this information here in the system. So my upcoming event ho gaya, where I got a great participation. My meeting is over and I entered the finish. The whole cycle is completed. So end of the month, you don't need to struggle in terms of creating a club monthly report. It's all done. Click on the monthly report. The data will directly come there. Upload it. It's gone there. Now there's a question from CS Joshi. So can we, CS Joshi, can you please, we would like
Good
to
evening,
see you.
sir. Oh, wow, great.
Asking question, we would like to
No,
see you, please.
No problem.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Can you see me? No.
I don't know.
Okay. Good evening. Basically this I just saw this attendance.
Yeah.
And then I mean it gives me direct percent. Okay. But there could be visitors. There could be district dignitaries who would be present. So attendance will be all inclusive. When we are giving a percent, probably how do you take care of it?
See, in the digital attendance, you go and add all the visitors, your aunts, and it's and everything. But normally in the club tool attendance, you should write about only the members' attendance. So there you don't need to write. In the description column, you can write about everything. You can write, okay, we had 7 visitors, 8 aunts, 8 aunts participated. But normally attendance in the box of it, you should write about the members who attended that. But in the digital attendance, you can go and write even the visitors' names. The reason is tomorrow, in case you want to convert that visitor into a Rotarian, you should have the option to know their name because there are chances. आज आपने उसका नाम पूछा है, CS Joshi है, but I not written his mobile number. I'll not remember after 6 months to call him up. You can write their name also and store it there. But here in the attendance, you need to write about the members only. Same thing in the BOD, you need to write about the list of board of directors in the club.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you. And Rajiv Taneja.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
This is regarding because as our club member, there are 71 members, right?
Yeah.
And when we talk about the board meeting, there are only 16 or 18 board members.
Okay.
So, but when I just add in the attendance column, when I say ki 14 members attended, so it just calculate on the basis of the 71 members. That when I say ki 14 board members attended the meeting, because board meeting is not for every member, na? Only the board directors come. So 14
you can see the
is coming. So that means my attendance is around 80%, but the system will calculate
I
16.
I'll just show you that. Only thing is what you do is before writing the attendance, select the BOD. Before writing the attendance, select the BOD. You go and write example, say 10 members attended. It shows 125%. Why? Because it shows, say 8 members attended. It shows 100% attendance.
Okay.
So you just have to select the BOD first, then write the attendance figure. Example, I write 5. It shows 62%. But if I change it to regular and write 5.
Because when you write the number of the BOD, by default, it is the regular weekly meeting has been selected. So you'll have to change it and you'll have to select the BOD, then the BOD percentage will take. Otherwise, by default, it will take the regular members percentage, you know?
I always select the BOD, but still I've seen that the percentage shows like that only.
That should not be. Naren, please check, take their club name and check in the system. That should not be.
See now, actually, there is all you require is first select the BOD and then write the attendance. That's it. So what we'll do is we'll also put this up so that you'll not have a confusion. Because attendance is up and meeting is down, you are getting confused. We will make this entire thing up. So you can first select the BOD or regular, then write the attendance, then you'll not have a problem.
Correct.
Because couple of times, then what I've done.
I understood your fault because you first write the attendance, then come down. That time you have a problem. But if you select the BOD first and then write the attendance, you'll not have a problem. So don't worry. I understood what are you trying to say, Rajiv. We'll try to help you also on that.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Anybody else has a question, or we can close the meeting today?
Yeah.
Next week we'll focus about past, present, and board of directors on how to enter the data. And as I said, in next 1.5 hours, you will get the minutes of today's meeting. And I think Prabir is there. No, he has left already. Yeah. Anshuman, you can close the meeting.
No, it's all right. As usual, very, very engrossed session and very, very useful. And I am motivated more because of your enthusiasm and active participation. So that also makes our job very encouraging, you know. We want positive or negative, any kind of feedback that you have, to improvise our efforts. So based on your feedback also, our team at the back end try to improvise your effort. Like today, even at the end, we find that if the selection of the type of meeting can be above the number of attendees, so that can help you. So that came only because of the discussion. You raised the point. So we'll do that, and we expect you to attend the next week and every week's master class. And as somebody suggested, we will try to recognize the enthusiasm of the regular attendees of this Rotary India Master Class. Surely, because we have the backend database, so we will organize and do something. Till then, enjoy Rotary. Thank you so much. We'll meet you again next week, Wednesday, 4:30. Thank you. Thank you, Naren, and every participant. Yeah.